Welcome to the WinCC Open Architecture Getting Started series by KAASM Digital Factory Solutions. KAASM is the premier Siemens industry channel partner for advanced SCADA technologies. My name is Sean and I will be walking you through the Getting Started series for WinCC Open Architecture. The second video in the WinCC OA series is creating a standard project. If you have not seen the previous videos, please feel free to view the series on the KAASM YouTube channel. Let's start by searching for the installation of WinCC OA in the search bar. I will go ahead and pin both the console and the project administration to my taskbar for ease of use. I will launch both the console and project administration for reference. The console panel located on your left allows the stop and start of created projects as well as change the properties of selected managers. WinCC OA managers represent runtime functionality of your application like I/O servers, HMI and web clients, integrated video, scripting, etc. Project Admin was developed for the management of projects. The projects can be deleted and edited, and feedback is easily shown on the executed changes. Notice the Project Admin icons on the top toolbar. The Register for New Project button allows recognition of existing projects into your WinCC OA system. You can easily search a shared project and quickly register it for use with your system by simply clicking the folder icon. A project with its own project structure can be copied by selecting a project and by clicking the Copy Project button in the Project Admin panel as well. Next to the Delete Project button, you will notice icons that are grayed out. This is because we have not created a project yet. I will cover these shortly. Generate Hardware Code button is another important icon. WinCC OA has a flexible licensing model which most commonly uses the hardware code of your PC. This unique identifier for the PC is tied to WinCC OA licensing. I will cover how quick and easy it is to generate the hardware code and request licensing in a later tutorial. The WinCC OA icon with the yellowish orangish line on the bottom will launch the log viewer. This is a great troubleshooting tool should you run into any challenges with your application. And last but not least are the WinCC OA help files. WinCC OA is very well documented, and the help files are your friend and a tremendous tool for adding extended functionality and a great reference for general WinCC OA development. At this point, let's go ahead and move to creating a project. Start by clicking the Create New Project icon and select a project type. The new project dialog box will launch and you will notice multiple project options. WinCC OA is a very scalable software package that offers the flexibility of many different types of application. The standard project option is a server client system that ranges from a single user to more than 2,000 servers on a network. The remote UI project option can be used for different types of connected clients. The next two options should be used if redundancy and high availability is required. The distributed project option enables a master client architecture and that allows for shared data seamlessly between two redundant servers. And the distributed redundant projects offer both distributed and redundant functionality. And last is a remote driver. This project allows you to dedicate resources for I/O communications. The most commonly used project is the standard project. Go ahead and select standard and click next. On the general settings tab, give your project a name. Go ahead and select a language. Verify the project path and make sure the project is runnable, and then click next. The final tab will show you your project configuration summary. After a quick configuration confirmation, go ahead, click OK and select No for setting a root password, and go ahead and pause and let WinCC OA do its thing and create your project. Okay, great. Now that your project has been created, it will show up in the Project Admin project list. It should also show up in the WinCC OA project console. By selecting the drop-down list, the project should auto-magically populate, and indeed it has. For good measure, I'm going to quickly create a second project to show you how the WinCC OA console drop-down list will populate for ease of use. Okay, and indeed it has populated the drop-down list. Notice the grayed out icons are now available. The most obvious are the green light start buttons located in both Project Admin and the console. The Edit Project Settings button is also live for you to make changes to your project. And also is the console icon. I will close the console to show you how this will launch the console preloaded with the selected project. I will now select the green Start button on the console to put the project into runtime, and you will notice all the application processes or managers will start to turn from red to green to signify running mode. And finally, the graphical editor, also known as Getty, will launch, and that will conclude our short tutorial on creating a WinCC OA project. For more information about WinCC OA, please subscribe to the KAASM YouTube channel or visit us at kaasm.com. And thank you for watching.